Hey guys, it's Johnny Hunkins with CarCraft Magazine. I'm here today with Steve Magnante of Junkyard Gold and Junkyard Crawl for our magazine.
Well, that's right, Junkyard Crawl. If you read CarCraft Magazine, last 10 years, go to the junkyard, check the cars out, do the stories, and for Roadkill's Junkyard Gold, the last couple of years, we go to the junkyards with a film crew and basically bring the pages to life. But it all started with CarCraft 10 years ago.
Yeah. Well, one of the things that we're not going to have to use today is the junkyard, because we've got these wonderful parts here coming from Speedway Motors. Of course, back in the day, if you wanted to get any of this stuff, you had to find a junkyard that had this stuff. And all you have to do now is pick up the phone or go online and go to Speedway Motors. So you have a variety of stuff here. Let's talk about what we have here. We got bumpers, we got a grill, and we also have, it looks to me, slightly different sheet mounts. Not 67, it's 66.
Well, that's right. This Week to Wicked Chevy 2 is a 67 two-door post, a 114 car, which means born a V8, probably 283. At some point, a six-cylinder was plugged in, but now a 496 rat motor has been plugged in. Right. But we're going to put a 66 nose on the car.
Yeah, why is that? That's interesting.
It looks a little better. It's a prettier grill than a 67, which was the final year for the first-gen shoebox Nova. And here's the 66 grill, which is just more attractive, and it's extruded aluminum. And the thing is, these parts look like they're new old stock, but they're reproductions. All of this available from Speedway Motors. Companies like OER, Trim Parts, Golden Star, and Soft Seal supply these parts to Speedway Motors and, of course, on to you, the customer.
And licensed by General Motors as well, too.
That's
so it's a certified deal, yeah.
Yeah, they're not cheap knockoffs. They fit and they look correct.
High quality stuff. You don't have to go to a swap meet. You don't have to worry about repairing it or taking it to a chrome shop. Chrome shops can be very expensive, not to mention the environmental impact with the chemicals and stuff.
That's right, if you can find one. Years ago, I built a Chevy Nova 10, 15 years ago, and I sent a bumper off to a chrome shop, and it came back, but it had to go down to Mexico to get chromed. No joke, because there's arsenic and stuff like that, and the EPA has cracked down, but now you can buy a brand new bumper like this for under 200 bucks.
Yeah.
Looks fresh, and potentially, I mean, you could replace this every 5 years if you chose to, or, I mean, it just doesn't pay to re-chrome bumpers anymore, and they're straight, they're beautiful, they fit like stock, and they make the car look 101 points.
Right on. Well, I love this stuff, man. Let's see if it fits.
Let's do it.